Hey guys, this is Sean doing our weekly video, and this week we're going to feature one of our Cali Customs lifted 2018 F-150s. And we're doing this truck for no other reason than this is probably one of the best lifted trucks that we have built to date. This is in the new blue that Ford has put out, sitting on a 6-inch lift, and we did this one on 12 wide rims, so it's got 20 by 12 rims sitting on a 33 1250 tire. And these F-150s have the XTR package. So they come with all the chrome cladding on the front and the rear. They come with remote start. They have the console. This is a new rim we have out by Cali that we've been using by Offroad. And as you can see, this is just a pretty truck. Inside on these trucks, they've also upgraded. Get the door here. They have the console, and something we're doing now on these trucks is the factory big screen. So this is still covered. It's a Ford factory part. We're upgrading them. It has navigation. It's still covered under the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. So with the leather and the console and the big screen, you're basically got a Lariat truck for about $10,000 less. So we've already done several of these, and that's probably going to be pretty common in these F-150s now, is to do that big screen upgrade. Got the black leather in it. Another feature about these trucks with the XTR package is this also has the backup assist. So when you back the trailer, for those of you that struggle with it, all you do is turn the knob and it can do it for you. You don't have to worry about counter steering or correcting. You just turn it which way you want the trailer to go. If you want to go a little more, you turn it a little more the way you want it to go. If you wanted to go a little less, you just turn a little less. So very easy to use. Also, that comes with the electric trailer brake already integrated in. So a very nice feature on these F-150s, on these XTRs. We only got about 8 of these. So if you're looking for an F-150 and you want a little more bang for your buck, these trucks right here definitely are that package. Of course, they all have reverse camera. These have the factory heavy-duty tow package, and like I said, you can see this is just a pretty truck. And as always, we still have plenty of other nice looking, great looking custom trucks. So if you're looking for a lifted truck, come down and see us this weekend. 863-937-9299. Give us a call and we'll set you up an appointment. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.